Madanas, big up on a nice clean self. You know say me have flu? Yes. Well, me no know if I flu or me sinus, cause it's not like say me a cough or all of that. But me just never feel so. Me no feel, me feel stuffy, and a draining at the back of my throat. Me think I'm a sinus. But anyways, um, have you ever worked with a black family before? If you live into the United States, you ever do like a living work and tell me how you feel. One of my friend called me the other day and she said to me, Donna, she wants somewhere to rent, but she do not want to rent it with a Jamaican. I said, what do you mean? And she said she wants somewhere for rent. The rent is high, but you don't want to rent with a Jamaican. So I said, who you want for rent with? She said, any other people but Jamaican. So I said, but you're Jamaican. She said, yes, me know, but me don't want to rent it with a Jamaican. I'ma find it very hard. So I said to her, well, me no know what to tell you say, because the most people you're there on is Jamaican. So what you gonna do? You gonna go online and then look for random people. At least you know your people them. She said no, them too disgraceful and bad mind. We can't stand them. We used to work with them for years. And me say, and she start and she and I say, but you're Jamaican. You can't be talking like that. She said, but it's the truth. Then too bad mind and you and them can't agree. You and them agree for today and tomorrow you and them no agree. Me did feel away no. Me not telling a lie. Me did feel away. But then you start to look into yourself and you say, and everybody stay so. And at the end of the day, me can't tell her how she feel. You get what me I say? She tell me say she not work for a black community. She said she black and she not working with a black community. And me ask her again why. Why she she said, Donna, me black. I'm not working with a black community. And I said, why? We were having a dialogue because this is somebody where me know. And she said, so why you only work for a black person? And she said, Donna, they don't like to pay money. And I'm telling you the truth. They don't like to pay money. They feel like say, what they are paying you is too good for you. And I'm like, what? She said, me says not everybody stays so. She said, well, I don't know the one that don't stay like that. I don't know the one that don't stay like that. So that's the reason why I'm not going to do it. Because they will tell you, said, they are going to pay you $15. And then when you take a stop, um, when you're supposed to get paid, it's like the money too much to pay you and then no one pay you. Sometimes weeks pass and you don't get paid. And this is something where me know people will go through. So that's why I'm not choosing to go through that. Because you have your bills to pay and that cannot pay your bills when they don't want to pay you. And I'm like, I never look into this and say, because I've never gone through things like that. So I don't know. Where I was in Jamaica, I used to work, I used to get paid. So, but this is in the US is a total different thing. And like you can't have people working and not paying them because at the end of the day, people have bills to pay. And if you don't pay your rent, you're in big trouble. If you don't pay your bills, you have food to buy. If you have children, so how could people feel that way and not paying people? That is so wrong. Yeah. So she said she's not working for anybody in our community. I was shocked. I was so shocked. Because if I'm a boss and I'm hiring someone, I have to set up their payroll. I have to make sure they get paid. This is insane. But guys, me want to know from Uno if Uno ever go through anything like that. Let me know in the comment section. The lady said she's not working for any black people. So I say, Uno work for me. So I turn to her and I say, wait there. If me have a business and me want you to come work for me, you wanna work for me? She said, yes, but would I work for you to help you start up your business because you are my friend and I know you. And I say, wow. She said, me know you, me know the heart where you have. When she say, because you are my friend and me know you, and me know the heart where you have, you're not a mean person. You would have prefer pay me and no said the business no make enough money, you would have still pay me. Me know all you stay. So me say, but there's other people out there like me. She said, but me not gonna know them because me not know them up front. Me know you up front. And me know people who go through that. That's why me say me not work for nobody way. Have you color my skin? She said that loud. She not working for anybody like that. So that's weird. Wow. Come to think about it, it's sad because as we black owners and want to own things and want to have people working for us, the community, our community is so broken. It's so broken. And that's why I always said, when you really look into life and when you really look on other culture, even on the net, because the internet now becoming your backyard. And I've been saying that for a minute now. It become in your backyard, and this is where people come and relate. Because I'm venting right now. Not venting, I'm having a dialogue with you on the internet. Right? It's not live, it's pre-recorded, and I'm sharing things with you, right? This is where we are communicating now, and it's becoming the norm. So you have people go and definitely make it sound like a real tenement yard on social media. And them go and them talk and them cuss and them go on. So back home them call it tenement yard. That is how some of the where it's there, especially on TikTok. That is like tenement. TikTok are definitely tenement yard. A tenement yard. Yeah. So at the end of the day, people now get it, say the internet becoming now where people have that communication. You go on live stream, you're talking to people, it becoming the backyard. I've been saying that for a minute now, but people just not realize it. And that's why sometimes when people say, so why not come on internet can tell on the business? Because some people cannot keep it down. Some people want to talk it. And sometimes with them sharing them business, you learn from it. Because if they weren't sharing it, you wouldn't learn certain things. You wouldn't know certain things. So it's good, you know, and you learn from it, and you try not to apply certain things to your life. So it's good when people talk. It might sound harsh sometimes, and people might bring down people, but it happened in a real life, in a tenement yard, in the neighborhood where you used to live up in a Jamaica. So, but me live from one story to the next. Yeah, but yeah, she said she nah do it, and she just nah do it. And those are her two things that she tell me, so she not going to do. And yeah, but anyways, guys, tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. Please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I want to tell me if that ever happened, any of this ever happened to her. She said she never lived with a person yet, but she just said she not renting, she not sharing her rent with a Jamaican. And me did find it very hard. But when she explained herself, what can I say? And she said she never worked for a black person. She never worked with one before, but she know people. And she was just talking of her own friend's experience, why she's not doing that. Because that really never happened to she. Me asked her, she said no. But she said then disgusting. And she don't know who she a go pick up. Me ask her, should I live with me? She said yes. Me ask her, yes. She said, should I live with me? Me ask her, should I work with me? And she tell me yes, because she know me and she know the kind of person me is. She know the values them when me share. And me's a loving, caring person. She say those stuff. So it's weird. And I know Gracie, because I know Gracie, but Gracie did not have this conversation. Gracie wouldn't mind, because Gracie share rent right now with them. She and her friends rent a whole big house. So I know Gracie. So if you now go come and think say Gracie is not Gracie. Cause right now Gracie rent one whole entire house and share it with friends. So 6 and 1.5 does not hear that. Big up on yourself. No flow.